Silver is exploding again, and this time the forces that held it back are losing control. From shrinking supply to record investor demand, we are showing all the signs for a major silver breakout. Good morning. Happy coffee, everybody. SSC right here, United States of America. Guys, it's happening. Silver is exploding. This time, the forces that have been holding it back for years are losing control. We're going to talk about that, some of the reasons why, after our gold and silver updates. Be sure not to miss this. This is going to be one for great comments this morning, guys. So let's get to it. Let's check out some gold and silver prices. Then we will discuss the silver explosion and what it's going to do today. First of all, everybody see the time that we're up this morning. I just couldn't stand it, everybody. Now it's time to drink coffee. I always wait till we do the videos before we do coffee. If you're new to this channel, welcome to our channel. We appreciate you very much. From my living room to yours, I'm just a normal guy sitting here doing these videos, watching all of our precious metals very closely so that I can bring them to you every morning at 5:30 a.m. So make sure you hit that share button down there and hit that little bell notification. That bell notification button will tell you when we post our videos because sometimes the algorithm won't notify you. So hit that bell button. That'll help notify you. Hit that share button and, of course, the hype button. We appreciate you very much. So it is very, very early this morning so far. Let's try some coffee. Medium roast. That's pretty good. Nutty and smoky. I didn't say that yesterday, everybody. Golly, like I said, I couldn't stand it. So gold this morning is $41.93. It's actually down. I believe it was $42.04 yesterday when we did our video. Silver's at a green light this morning. I'm going to say about an hour ago, everybody, silver was at 61.43. Wow. An explosion. Right now, it's at $60.95. So all you naysayers, all you folks that doubted us talking about what silver's going to do, possibly when it was going to do it, and it even did it sooner, well, guess what? You're wrong. So all you so-called experts that said silver won't hit 60 this year, you're absolutely 100% wrong. And in the background, my cat is making noises. It seems like every time we do these videos, I've got a cat that wants to tell me they want to go outside, but she'll just have to wait. So silver is killing it, guys. It's unbelievable. Are you still buying silver? I am still buying silver, and quite a bit. So I'm expecting a huge rise in silver, and we'll talk about that shortly. Platinum is actually down this morning, $1,668. It's down $23 from earlier. I didn't really look at it early this morning. You know, I always seem to get up once or twice throughout the night, everybody, and then of course once I get up. What? It is. We're in the middle of winter almost, and there's still flies flying around. What's up with that? Look at that! Oh my gosh, it kills me, man. Turn on a light, and here comes a fly. So we may have to. Oh my gosh. I'll tell you what, if it wasn't me, you guys would go, this guy's cuckoo. So welcome to our channel. Welcome to SSC. ADHD, baby, ADHD. So it's down $23, man. Platinum's down. I don't know what's going on with that. That's kind of crazy. Palladium is down also, 14.79. It's down $11. Now, granted, we're not even 4 o'clock yet. We're not quite 4 a.m. So these prices will change. And I anticipate these prices to go back up. But we'll talk about that shortly. The gold to silver ratio, we were going to go over, rhodium, but rhodium's the same as it was yesterday, 7,800. So the gold to silver ratio, 68.78. Everybody, are we leaning towards a 60-to-1 ratio? It's a possibility. If silver continues to skyrocket, we are leaning towards a 60-to-1 ratio, maybe better. We'll watch that and find out. Gold back, let's moving on to gold back exchange rates so that we can talk about these silver prices. 842 follows the gold market, everybody. And if gold drops some more today, it will also drop. I'm buying quite a few gold backs this weekend, and it ought to be quite a bit of fun. And we're filming our gold back distributor, so that'll be some good information for everybody on gold backs. Going to get it from the horse's mouth there. Copper's pushing $5.30. It's doing really good. It's going to continue to go up. It's listed as a critical metal right now. It's one of the things that it's huge industrial demand. Silver's industrial demand, all that. Bronze, we're actually going to do a few things a little bit differently. Bronze, one of our viewers wanted to know about brass and bronze. We're looking at bronze around 280, brass around $2.50. And of course, it all depends on purity, brightness, all that good stuff. Whoo, happy coffee. Oh, we love our coffee. Shout out to all of my friends all over the United States of America. We appreciate you every day for watching us, and all you new subscribers and viewers, we appreciate you. Also, continue to watch us. We'll continue to do this. You watch, we will do this. I'm just the quarterback, right? You're the team. If you don't watch, I can't play. So we're right now, where are we at? We're on aluminum. Aluminum, $1.28 a pound. Will you be quiet? My cat over here, what's up with that? She's like, hey man, let me out. I'm going to go let her out. So we let the cat out. My household is just a normal household like yours, guys. So we really have fun doing this. Let's move on. We're at $1.28 a pound on aluminum. Let's do my new favorite. Coffee beans. Coffee bean prices right now. Guys, they are fluctuating to right around $4.10 a pound. $3.90 yesterday, fluctuating around $4.10 a pound. Are we investing in the wrong stuff? Maybe it's coffee, everybody. So, oh my gosh. Well, let's talk about silver. I don't think they can stop it. I don't think they can stop it now. I think it's broke out. It's breaking out. It's going to continue to break out. And I think we're heading for some big numbers in the future. Uh, One of the things I think yesterday, especially yesterday, one of the things driving the silver price was the expectation of federal interest rate cuts. When they start talking about interest rate cuts and the anticipated quarter point drop, traders start changing their ways. Guess what they do? They start going to a safe haven and they start buying silver and gold. This time, it's big time silver, everybody. A lot of people are pouring money into silver, uh, big time. When you've got federal interest rate cuts, you're showing a weaker dollar, weaker economy. So the economy's not growing the way they want it to grow. The dollar is continuing to weaken. If they could just continue to print money, it's just going to kill us, everybody. You can't just print money to solve the problems. You have to have something to back it up. You have to have your industry to back it up. You have to have tax dollars coming in. And since the United States especially is relying on other countries all over the world for products instead of building and making our own products right here in the United States, we can't support our economy. So weakening dollar, rate cuts, silver goes up, everybody. We're going to find out today because today's the day that they really push for an interest rate cut. And if that happens, that could really drive silver over the mountain, everybody. Another thing is we got a supply squeeze. We're already in a deficit, right? We're already in a silver deficit right now. And when you got a silver deficit, and then you've got the ETF folks, you got the folks pushing the paper silver. They're pushing more paper silver than they have silver. So guess what that does? They don't have it. What if those people that said, I want my silver in physical, not paper, they have to supply it, right? They have to give it to them a lot of times. So that's a big part of it right now, big time. There's a lot of shrinking inventories, especially in London, and that's hurting it. That's hurting it and driving the price up. That's hurting them and driving the price up, right? Industrial demand. There's two sides to the industrial demand in silver. So industrial demand for silver is very high, right? Very high. So, and that's something we're really going to talk about. Industrial demand for silver is high. So when you have high industrial demand, it's a major player in the price of silver because it's used in many things, just like copper. It's a major player. Industrial is a major player in it also. But here's the thing. If silver, I mean, we all want silver to go up that have stacks, right? You want your investment to be high. But if silver continues to skyrocket, which I do believe it will, the industries that use silver got to raise their prices on their products, right? So it causes basically, it causes a lot of issues. In how do I say it? Prices go up on the silver products that you purchase. Industrial demand prices go up. It causes things to go crazy, and so they don't want that. All the big boys and the big players in the industries that use silver. They don't want that. So you watch, they're really going to try to suppress silver. They don't want super high prices because then that drives prices up on silver and on their products. Then demand might go down. So it could very well hurt them. So industrial demand, big thing. One of the biggest things. So supply and demand, supply squeeze. Our supply squeeze, big time. There's just not enough silver out there. You have a lot of our viewers say there's plenty of silver, there's not a shortage. Well, you're wrong. There is a silver shortage. There is a silver squeeze going on right now. There's not enough silver to cover the demand for what we need. That is driving our silver prices. So let's go back over it this morning. Yesterday, about this time, it was a little over $58 an ounce, guys, and it blew over $60 an ounce just like that. So could it happen today? It could. Could it drop? Could it pull back? Could they pull it back? Massive sell-off to pull silver back to ease the silver tension a little bit. And if they do, I'll buy some more. It doesn't matter. I buy anyway. I know silver's going to go up 2026. I'm anticipating well over $80 an ounce and spikes to 100 next year. So far, we've been right on our predictions. We hope we're right on those. But then again, we kind of don't hope we're right. We want everybody to be able to afford to buy silver, even if it's in fractionals, everybody. So 41.93.70 on gold, $60.80 on silver right now. That's just absolutely crazy. I can't hardly believe it. Platinum is down. It's at 1665, down $26. And palladium 1479, down $11. Let's look at the GSR once again, everybody. 68.98 on the GSR. So silver is exploding in price right now. I don't believe they can hold it back. They're going to try to pull it back and suppress it. I do believe they're going to really try to do that. I hope the big boys don't get involved and cause us all problems, right? So, all seriousness, this is outrageously crazy. What silver's done, it's very, very volatile right now, up and down. It could go down just as fast as it went up. I'm not seeing that right now. I still see silver going up in price. It may slow down a little bit from its big jump yesterday. Then again, it could go up $1 or $2 an ounce. If they cut interest rates today, that could be the big player on an upward swing. So everybody have a great day. It's hump day, everybody. SSC, United States of America, Oklahoma, guys. I'm out.